Many people think gardening ends when the weather turns cold, but imagine stepping out into your backyard, even in the heart of winter, and harvesting fresh, delicious vegetables. In this video, we're diving into the world of winter gardening. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and inspiration to grow your winter vegetables. So let's grab our gardening gloves, embrace the crisp winter air, and discover the secrets of growing delicious vegetables throughout the winter. Imagine stepping out into your winter garden and harvesting a basket full of vibrant vegetables, bursting with flavor and nutrition. Winter gardening offers a unique sense of self-sufficiency and satisfaction. You become connected to the natural world, understanding the rhythms of the seasons. The taste of homegrown, winter-harvested vegetables is simply unmatched, fresher, more flavorful, and infinitely more rewarding. It's a fantastic way to save money on groceries during the colder months when produce prices tend to soar. In the next section, we'll delve into the best vegetables to plant in your winter garden so you can start planning your own bountiful harvest. Winter gardening might seem like a daunting task, but it's surprisingly accessible and rewarding. More than just a way to grow food, it's a testament to the resilience of nature. One of the most significant advantages of winter gardening is the extended growing season. Certain vegetables flourish in cooler temperatures, extending the harvest well into winter. Beyond the tangible benefits, winter gardening fosters a sense of accomplishment and self-reliance. Imagine stepping outside your door and harvesting the freshest ingredients for your next meal, even in the heart of winter. The taste of homegrown winter vegetables is simply unparalleled. They haven't been subjected to long-distance transportation or storage, so their flavors are at their peak. Vegetables harvested at their peak ripeness are also more nutrient-dense, contributing to a healthier and more vibrant you. By choosing to grow your own winter vegetables, you're making a conscious decision to prioritize both your health and the planet's well-being. In a world where grocery bills seem to be constantly increasing, winter gardening offers a practical solution for stretching your budget further. By growing your own vegetables, you're reducing your reliance on supermarkets and their fluctuating prices, especially during the winter months when produce costs tend to skyrocket. Winter gardening promotes a more sustainable lifestyle by reducing your carbon footprint. When it comes to winter gardening, leafy greens are the undisputed champions. These cold, hardy warriors thrive in cooler temperatures, offering a continuous supply of vitamins, minerals, and fresh flavors. Kale, with its vibrant green and purple hues, is a nutritional powerhouse and a winter garden staple. This frost-tolerant green actually becomes sweeter after a light frost. Spinach, another cold hardy favorite, offers a mild, earthy flavor that complements a wide range of culinary creations. Lettuce, a staple in summer salads, can also thrive in your winter garden with the right care. Opt for cold hardy varieties like Winter Density or Rouge d'Hiver. Experiment with different varieties, explore companion planting techniques, and discover the joy of harvesting fresh, flavorful greens from your backyard, even when the snow falls. While leafy greens steal the show above ground, a whole world of deliciousness awaits beneath the surface. Root vegetables are essential additions to any winter garden. Carrots, with their sweet, earthy flavor and vibrant orange hue, are a winter garden classic. These hardy vegetables thrive in cooler temperatures. Beets, with their earthy, slightly sweet flavor and vibrant colors, add a touch of elegance to winter dishes. Radishes, known for their peppery bite and crisp texture, are a fast-growing addition to any winter garden. While leafy greens and root vegetables form the foundation of a successful winter garden, many other cold hardy vegetables can thrive in cooler temperatures. Peas, with their sweet, delicate flavor and satisfying crunch, are a welcome addition to any winter garden. Onions, with their pungent flavor and versatility in the kitchen, are another excellent choice for winter gardening. Beyond these examples, consider experimenting with other cold hardy vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and Swiss chard. As the days grow shorter and the air turns crisp, it's time to prepare your garden for the unique challenges and rewards of winter growing. Start by selecting the right location for your winter garden. Ideally, choose a spot that receives ample sunlight throughout the day. Next, focus on soil preparation. Winter gardening requires well-drained soil to prevent waterlogging and root rot. Consider using raised beds or containers for your winter garden, especially if you have heavy clay soil or limited space. While some winter vegetables can tolerate light frosts, providing additional protection from the elements can significantly extend your growing season. Simple yet effective techniques like cloches, cold frames, and row covers can create a microclimate that's warmer and more hospitable for your winter crops. Cloches, bell-shaped covers typically made from glass or plastic, act like mini greenhouses, trapping heat and humidity around individual plants. Cold frames, miniature greenhouse-like structures placed over garden beds, offer a more substantial form of protection, extending the growing season by several weeks. Timing is key. Understanding planting schedules for winter success. Timing is crucial in winter gardening. Planting too early or too late can impact your crops. Know the needs of different vegetables and adjust your schedule for a better harvest. Identify the first and last frost dates for your region. This info is available online or from your local agricultural extension office. Use these dates to start seeds indoors, transplant seedlings, and sow seeds directly. Cold hardy vegetables like kale, spinach, and carrots can be sown in late summer. They establish before the coldest weather arrives. Hardy crops withstand light frosts and may develop a sweeter flavor. Ensure your winter vegetables thrive and provide a bountiful harvest. Winter gardening is a dance with nature, a reminder that life finds a way. Embrace the slower pace, adapt to the seasons, and find joy in subtle transformations. Winter gardening requires patience and observation. Beneath the surface, roots deepen, plants harden off, preparing for spring. Learn to read the signs of the season. Pay attention to temperature, sunlight, and precipitation. These cues help you adjust your care accordingly. Embrace the ebb and flow of the seasons for a thriving garden year-round. Nurturing life in the cold. Essential winter gardening practices. Winter gardening may seem less demanding, but certain practices are crucial for plant health. Water wisely and manage pests to nurture your winter garden. Watering is essential, even in winter. Prevent soil from completely drying out. Water deeply but less frequently. Avoid overwatering to prevent root rot, control pests and diseases, inspect plants regularly and use organic pest control, work with nature to create a thriving winter garden, adapt your practices for a bountiful winter harvest. There's a special kind of magic in harvesting fresh, homegrown vegetables in the heart of winter. It's a testament to the resilience of nature and the joy of savoring the flavors of the season. Imagine stepping out into your winter garden, the crisp air invigorating your senses as you gather a basket full of vibrant greens and earthy root vegetables. Each harvest is a celebration of life, a reminder that even in the depths of winter, abundance abounds. Winter vegetables, with their unique flavors and textures, lend themselves beautifully to a wide range of culinary creations. From hearty soups and stews to comforting casseroles and vibrant salads, the possibilities are endless. Add a handful of fresh spinach or lettuce to brighten up sandwiches, wraps, or grain bowls. Celebrate the simple joys of growing and sharing food with loved ones. The Winter Garden's Embrace. As we've explored the ins and outs of winter gardening, one thing remains clear. It's a testament to the remarkable resilience of nature and our ability to nurture life, even amidst the challenges of colder months. It's a journey of patience, adaptation, and ultimately, profound reward. The winter garden, often blanketed in snow or kissed by frost, may appear dormant at first glance, yet beneath the surface, a quiet strength persists. Roots burrow deeper, seeking nourishment. Plants harden off, developing a resilience that belies their delicate appearance. And we, as gardeners, learn to embrace the slower pace, finding joy in the subtle transformations unfolding around us. We've learned that winter gardening is about working in harmony with nature's rhythms, understanding that even in the absence of vibrant blooms and lush foliage, a different kind of beauty emerges. It's in the crisp crunch of a freshly harvested carrot, the earthy aroma of kale simmering on the stove, the vibrant hues of radishes adding zest to a winter salad. Each bite of food harvested from our winter gardens carries a unique flavor, a depth of satisfaction that comes from knowing we've played a part in nurturing life through the darkest months. It's a reminder that abundance can be found in unexpected places, and that even when the world around us seems to slow down, the cycle of growth and renewal continues. And even in the coldest months, it holds the promise of growth, renewal, and the deep satisfaction that comes from nurturing life with our own two hands. So, go forth, embrace the frost, and discover the magic that awaits in your